Hello again, everybody. This is Dr. Quinn Krennick here with Buchar Family Chiropractic. Today we're going to talk about neck pain treatment. So when you come into the office, what happens? So basically, we do an exam, we do an x-rays, we also do something called a myovision scan. Now, what the exam does is a full health history. We get a full health history of what's going on with you. We want to be as thorough as possible. We also do an x-ray. The x-ray confirms if you have subluxation or confirms if you have a misalignment of the spinal bone, amongst other things, degeneration and arthritis as well. So there's a lot of information that we can get from the x-ray. The last thing we do is the myovision scan, and that shows us exactly if there's any type of stress or tension that's built up in the spine, and we can see exactly how much is there, okay? In regards to treatment, we treat based on your goals. What kind of goals do you have? Is it short-term? Is it long-term? Do you want to run a marathon? Do you want to be able to swim? There's lots of different goals that people have, and we try to attain those goals for everyone through our treatment. Now, the adjustment is the root of any type of treatment with us. We realign the spinal bones with the adjustment, helps the body to heal itself, okay? We also do exercises in the office. The exercises support the healing process of what's going on, and we may ask you to do some at home as well. The next thing we may recommend is massage. Massage helps relax the muscles, and it's a nice complement to the adjustment to accelerate the healing process in whatever way possible. And lastly, acupuncture is also an option. There may be some misunderstanding about acupuncture, but basically acupuncture helps the body to communicate better between all the different cellular regions. So that's an option as well. Any questions or more information, check us out our website, BucharFamilyChiro.com. Also, you can check us out on Facebook. Until next time, have a good day, everyone.